So Theta Network holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, my friends. In this video, I'm talking about the Theta Network latest and urgent update. And my friend, that is the warning news for all of you, my friend. That is a great warning for all of you, my friends. Just keep watch this video complete for more and better understanding, my friends. Now, my friends, at this time, the price changes in the cryptocurrencies market, the Cardano, XRP, Dogecoin, Vision, these all token price changes is negative, my friends. The people are so confused, the people are so worrying about Theta Network that what should we do in this critical situation, my friends. You know what, my friends, I really recommend for all of you, it's time to hold, not to sell, my friends. Just hold Theta Network for a long time. My friends, you can see that now the changes occurring in the Theta Network is completely negative. The last 1 day and last 1 week, you can see the changes is negative, and oh my goodness, 5.95 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the Theta Network. And you know what, my friends, the price of Theta Network is fast down from 11-12 USD dollar to 5 USD dollar, my friends. Oh my goodness, that's really a shock news for all Theta Network holders, my friends. Let me show you the price chart for more details, my friends. You know what, I'm very sad about these changes, my friends. You can see, my friends, on the 8th July, the whole dump so-called the price of the Theta Network is very badly fast down on the 8th July, my friends. But now you can see on the 9th July, the price start explosions, price start pumping, and my prediction is positive about Theta Network, and I hope that they continue this jump for a long time. And absolutely, if they continue this jump, so we are getting profit from a Theta Network, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion, what is your prediction about Theta Network? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe our channel.